case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a military court case from 1984 that continues to have repercussions today, handwriting analysis was challenged as evidence, leading to a reevaluation of the role of forensic laboratory reports in the courtroom. The battleground for these legal wranglings was the United States v. Broadnax case, where the defendant was accused of several charges, including forgery. The pivotal moment of the case took place at Schofield Barracks, Hawaii, where the appellant, despite pleading guilty to willful disobedience of a lawful order and disrespect towards a superior non-commissioned officer, vehemently denied allegations of forgery. He found himself ensnared in a case, accused of forging a $100 check. However, the evidence against him was anchored on a handwriting analysis performed in a forensic lab, which was used to tie him to the crime. The contention in the case pivoted on the laboratory report. Their claim hinged on the argument that it did not require live testimony, which was prejudicially erroneous to their client. Special Agent William Merrill testified that the forensic report in question concluded that the appellant had penned all entries on the check apart from the date. However, the prevailing wisdom dictated that a forensic laboratory report could be used as court evidence only if it contained factual data obtained through trusted means, excluding subjective opinion testimony. In a landmark decision that has shaped interpretations of evidence law since, the court concluded that the handwriting analysis from the forensic laboratory was inadmissible. The determining factor was its insinuation of guilt, which undoubtedly veered towards a subjective territory rather than sticking to hard objective facts. The government's contention that the appellant had waived their right to confrontation was dismissed as it only applied to chemical analysis. Transparency was the ruling factor. The government was duty-bound to notify the defense of its intention to introduce subjective opinion-based testimony in their case, allowing the defense to respond appropriately. The court decided that the failure of the defense to respond could not be viewed as a waiver, unless the government had provided adequate prior notice. In effect, the forgery conviction was overturned, significantly impacting the case's direction and marking a significant reckoning in the application of forensic lab reports as evidence. The sentence was remanded to the Judge Advocate General of the Army for reassessment, thus leaving a lasting landmark that continues to guide the procedures of court evidence related to handwriting analysis.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.